So, what are achievements in Magic the Gathering Arena? It is something that you can find here on the Achievements tab, and it is something that you can fill and complete by playing games. Not necessarily one game, maybe lots of games, and slowly you can build it. There are some core achievements. There are here, like welcome, play the game in basic ways, or some color masteries that are they can be pretty hard to achieve. For example, exile 150 creatures. Like, you cannot do it easily at the beginning. You have to do it quite repetitive over a course of many games, and this is just an example. There are lots of other things, and slowly you can complete them, and they will give you a reward every time you complete it. Is this one, and yeah, that is how you slowly. This is what achievements are. They don't really give you anything, as far as I know. It's just to complete and see how much you play the game, basically. And that is it. That is what achievements are. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.